Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name's Kevin, this is Dwayne.
And a couple of weeks ago, we told you guys about the DK Custom open house. It's gonna be our official announcement video. This is gonna be a huge event. It's gonna be an open house. We're gonna have a mobile dyno. That's gonna be the star of the show, the mobile dyno. A lot of events revolving around that. Food, drinks, prizes. The dyno machine will be provided by Jamie from J&T V-Twin Repair. He is a certified dyno jet tech. Your bike will be in great hands with Jamie.
Yeah, we're pretty excited about this. We're gonna have tours of the facility, showing the manufacturing and the packaging. We're gonna have a dyno shootout where we will be comparing Sporties with Sporties, twin cams with twin cams, Milwaukee 8s with Milwaukee 8s, and there'll be prizes for the top winners. We might have some other categories also, but definitely Sporties, twin cams, and M8s.
And as some of you guys know, a lot of you probably don't, we're located in North Mississippi, Hickory Flat, Mississippi to be exact. It's about 40-50 miles south of Memphis. If you're not gonna ride, you can always trailer the bike. We have plenty of room for your trailer. We have plenty of room for bikes.
And there are 3 different ways to get there. We'll put a map up right here of all 3 ways that you can get there. All 3 ways have great riding.
Oh yeah.
Curvy riding roads through wooded areas.
Yeah.
So any one of the 3 ways to get there, depending on which direction you're coming from. But back to the open house is, besides the dyno shootout, everybody will be able to get their bike on the dyno. We're gonna start at 9 in the morning and we're gonna go until everybody who wants a dyno run has had a dyno run. The dyno works perfectly fine at nighttime, so if it goes past 5 o'clock, we'll just keep going till everybody's had it. And what'll happen is you'll be able to get your bike on the dyno. There'll be 3 poles, and out of the 3 poles, we'll pick which one is best, most representative of the power that your bike is generating, and print you out a dyno chart of your bike right on the spot, and you'll be able to leave with the dyno chart of your bike.
Yeah. Now, unfortunately, the dyno is only set up for 2-wheel bikes, but don't be disparaged, trike owners. We still want you to come out. We have some new exciting trike products that haven't even been released yet we'd like to show you.
Another thing we're doing is everybody who attends can enter their name into a drawing, and throughout the day we're going to have drawings for small gifts, and then we're going to have a big drawing at 2 or 3 in the afternoon for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place. There's going to be over $1,000 worth of product given out altogether. So it's going to be an exciting time. Whether you want to talk to us, ask us questions, get a tour of the facility, get your bike on the dyno. There will be food and drinks there, so you won't go hungry. There are no stores near there. So in the off chance that we don't have the food that you want or the particular soda that you want, bring it yourself. We're gonna have a selection: hot dogs, hamburgers, chips, cookies. Probably in the morning we'll have some breakfast pastries.
Yeah.
But we're not going to have everything for everybody, and there are no stores nearby.
And it's a dry county, so.
Yeah, so bring, if you have special dietary desires or needs, bring what you want. There's going to be plenty of motorcycle parking. We don't know what the weather's going to be like. So if you ride down there, plenty of motorcycle parking. If you trailer your bike down there, probably going to have to park out on the street just away from the building and unload out there and bring the bike in. If you just come in a cage, probably will end up having to park out on the street. There's very limited automobile parking at the facility. We're going to have most of that set aside for motorcycle parking.
And we've tried to think of everything, but if there's something you guys would like to see, there's still plenty of time between now and then. Let us know in the comments if you have a great idea for an event or a feature or a gift or giveaway or something we should have. Let us know.
At 190 McMullen Rd in Hickory Flat, Mississippi. Starts at 9 o'clock Saturday morning.
Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to be coming from pretty far away, and if you're going to come the night before and stay overnight, if you have questions about accommodations or places in the area to stay, shoot us an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com. So we'd love to see each and every one of you out there, but until then, y'all ride safe out there.